Hey everyone, first off, can be together. First off, let me introduce myself first. Full name Asteria Angelina, nickname Lina. Age 16 years old. Hobby drawing. Status student at SMA Negeri 1 Sanggaledo. Address GPB Efrata Dormitory Sanggaledo. Dream doctor. My wishes and hopes are that I want to make my parents proud and happy, and I want to send my only sister to school, and I hope that my goal can be achieved the best for my beloved family. My goal to join the English club is because I want to learn English. I want to increase my knowledge in English, and I want to improve my English because no English is an international language. Motto in life: there is no word can if you want to learn.